Hello. Welcome everyone to a new RocketBot class. Today we're going to see how to manipulate SQL Server databases in with RocketBot. Alright, first let's log in. Let's see what we have here. The command is already set up to log in. Let's log in. Let's see what it returns. Perfect. Awesome. There we go. We're connected, and now we're going to create a table. First, I'm going to show you the database itself. This is the database we're going to work with. Let's refresh. Let's see that in tables, we don't have any associated, so we're going to create one. Alright, we're going to create a table with this query, personas, where we'll have an ID that's going to be the primary key, a name in varchar format, last name the same, country the same, and this will go into the table command. Okay, let's create it. It's created and it already tells us that it was created. And let's see here, we're going to close this, and if we refresh, we'll see that in tables, the database now shows the table we created for personas. If we want to see exactly what data it has right now, as of today, it's empty. So we're going to create, insert, variables, data. With the insert into query, we're going to write the name of the table, specify which columns are affected, and what values correspond to those columns. For example, ID 1, Juan Perez, Mexico. Then we have ID 2, Ana Garcia from Spain, and then 3, Luis Martinez from Argentina. Let's create it. Perfect! We've now inserted the data and we come over here. Here it's going to appear empty, but if we refresh and go to the page, to the database, to the table, we can see that the database is now created here. Now, what I want to do, for example, is change Juan's name, right? Let's change Juan's name. So, we're going to use the update command. We're going to type update personas, which is the name of the table, and set it where it says Carlos. Sorry, in the name field, put Carlos where the ID is 1. Or we could put where the name is Juan or where the name is Anna. And that's how it gets modified according to whatever requirement you specify. So we're going to indicate that. We enter it. Let's close here. Let's edit. And now we see that in Ju instead of Juan, it now says Carlos Perez. Alright, if I want to delete Carlos Perez, we enter the query delete from personas, the name of the table. Notice that it's always the same structure. What it needs to do, in which table it should do it, and the condition or data setting, where here the ID is 1. So, instead of, we'll see that this row is going to be deleted. So, we execute it, and if we go back to view it, we can see that the table now reflects the requirement, meaning the data with ID number 1 has already been deleted. Good. Perfect. This has been today's class with SQL Server. Notice that it's very similar to what we're seeing in the other database videos. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care.